What's wrong? All right. If vector V is 42 and it has a direction of 17 degrees, find the x and y components. You remember that? So what does that mean I do? 17 degrees. Right? This is 42. Isn't this y and this x? Do you remember this? How do I find x?
Do you use sign?
I don't think I want to use sign for x. So the cosine of 17 is x over 42.
Yes.
And the sine of 17 is y over 42. Right? So what is x component? What is y component? Y is 12.3? I was going to say round it to the nearest tenth. You read my mind, Corbin.
Oh, you said wire. I got you. You said wire x point y.
What's x?
40.2.2.
Should be an easy problem, right?
Easy.
Y'all remember this?
Yeah.
Okay. Find the magnitude and direction of the sum of u and v. That's what it says. Magnitude and direction of the sum of u and v if u equals 28, v equals 41, and the angle between them is 80 degrees.
I'm sorry, what were the directions again?
Find the magnitude and direction.
Find the magnitude and direction of the sum. If u and v is given as this. Which one is on the horizontal? V. So this is 28. This is 41. This is W, correct?
Draw the...
This is 80. Right? What is this angle right here?
Well,
This must be 28. What? 100? How do I find W? W squared equals 41 squared plus 28 squared minus 2 times 41 times 28 cosine 110. Right?
110?
100, sorry.
Then how we get 100 again? So it was
Supplementary.
88. Okay.
Well, that would make a difference.
So V is always the...
V is always the horizontal.
53.5.
What
53.5.
is W?
Are we going to get that formula?
Nope. W is 53.5?
Yes.
Okay, want to make sure somebody else agreed.
Yes.
All right, what else do I want to find?
The direction.
Which is that? between,
So
so I call it theta,
sine theta over 40.
sine theta over what?
48
Equals
sine of 100 over 53.5.
what is theta? $31 degrees?
Yes.
Did it come out 231?
Yeah.
Rounding.
31.
31 degrees? Right?
Yes.
All right. Brady, why am I seeing the back of your head again? I know you weren't talking. You were singing. What notes of his are you looking at?
I was with pseudo like sine 100 over 53.5. I didn't know. I didn't know that was 100. Just making sure.
Did you notice what he said?
Oh, he said sine.
That's right.
He caught himself in the middle.
Yeah. I was.
All right. Good job, Brady. An airplane has an airspeed of 525 miles per hour and a heading of 60 degrees. .525, heading of 60 degrees. All right. Doesn't that mean this is 60 and this is 525?
What would it say if it was like the other way? Like if the degrees was at the bottom?
It's always from the north. Wind is blowing from the north. So down, right?
Yep.
At 40 miles an hour. This is 40. Find the plane's ground velocity and direction.
What was the original direction? So like the first sentence or whatever.
An airplane has an airspeed of 525 miles an hour.
Okay.
And a heading.
Then what is it for?
The ground velocity, which is this, and the direction, which is this. How would I find an angle in my triangle?
Alternate interior.
Good job. So what is this? 60. Okay.
And then
Is this W? Is W squared equal to 525 squared plus 40 squared minus 2 times 525 times 40 cosine of 60. Is that right?
Could you not just do cosine of 60? No, sine of 60.
It's on the right triangle. Yes, no?
yes.
506.2. Miles per hour. Now, how do I find this angle?
Sine theta over 40.
Sine theta over 40 equals,
Sine 60 over 22.
right?
Yeah.
You agree with that? Everybody okay with that?
3.9.
Huh?
Yes, I agree.
That's what I was asking. What your number was. 3.9? So is that your direction?
60.
Oh,
Do I add it or subtract it? Add it. So this is at 63.9 degrees. Right? Guys, that was vectors.
are we gonna have to deal with one that's the wind's blowing from the south?
No. Everybody okay with vectors?
Yes.
All right. So now I can move to everything else. Good. See how much you know. Not a lot. Find the distance between those 2 points.
What were these directions?
Find the distance between the 2 points. Have an answer?
Hold on. I don't know if that's right.
You don't know if it's right.
I want to say it. I'm scared.
Square root 29.
Radical 29?
Yeah, 29.
That was easy. Distance is radical 29. What's the midpoint? 1/2, 7?
Midpoint? Wait, hold on, you said
Yep. All right.
Wait, pause for a second. Let me do that one.
Tough question there. All right. If I give you x squared plus y equals 20. Find the x-intercepts, find the y-intercepts. How do I find an x-intercept? Let y equal 0. Right? What do you get? What?
X is 2 radical 5.
Really?
Yes.
You sure?
Plus or minus 2, right?
Plus or minus 2. Ooh.
Get her up.
How-
I'll never be as smart as you.
However,
You know, try.
You try your best.
No, I can't. I give up.
However, if you tell me it's plus or minus 2 radical 5, it is wrong because an x-intercept, y-intercept has to be what? Point. Right? We agree?
Yes.
All right. What? Those are x-intercept. What's the y-intercept?
0.
0, 20. Right? Should be easy. Shouldn't it? You want a hard problem? What? center?
Negative 4.3.
Negative 4, 3? What's the radius?
4.
4? Okay. I want to move on and come back to circles, okay? Remind me at the end to come back to circles. I'm just worried about time. Right? Okay, if I give you this, I'm not going to do much with this, but if I give you this, could you find G of 5? You're good with that? You know how to do those? So I don't have to spend much time on that? Good. That helps. Now, what if I have this? How hard do I do this? Good.
Oh.
Okay.
I remember this. Okay. Oh, it's the one. Okay. 2.
I remember the one. I remember the rest. What's is it 1 x squared? I don't remember. H squared.
Is it this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't remember it, then write down x plus h times x plus h times x plus h and multiply it out. I mean, don't just say, like especially on the test, oh my gosh, I don't remember this, I can't do it. You can do it. It's just the long way. Right? So, 1. Isn't it x cubed, x squared, x, h cubed, h squared, h? Did you get it?
That's what I need to get. What about all the other part?
1, 2, 3, 1.
You said 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
1, 3, 2.
I know it's really not really. Hunter, are you okay?
Wait, what? What are you missing? I can give it to you off the top of my head. What are you missing?
I remember the distance formula, so I think I'm not.
What's a minus? Write the domain.
Squared was 16.
Write the domain.
Oh no. Oh. It's the one that I'm not good at.
I'm feeling that.
At all. It's 3. I know that.
Does x minus 3 have to be greater than or equal to 0?
Yes.
I still don't understand what
I
that is.
think.
Because if it was less than 0, it would be negative under the radical. And it is not a function, and it's a negative under the radical. So what is x?
X is greater than or equal to negative 3.
Positive 3?
Positive 3, yeah, that's. Yeah.
How do I write it?
It would be bracket 3, comma, infinity parentheses.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's coming back, isn't it?
How many
No,
of those?
I missed out. Let's do another one.
Are there like 3 of these on the test? They're like 2.
Oh, we'll only fail 2.
Let's go.
Wait, how many questions are on the test?
26.
Okay, yeah. I'll be okay.
That's how many points there are?
It's a lot of.
No, there's 26. Those 2 problems are worth
Write the domain.
We're going to call these two then.
No, I did not.
Right, you all just recorded that. If your mom wants to know, why are you struggling with this? Well, here's my conversation in class.
Well, it's okay. Our parents already know.
Yeah.
It's, it can't be.
They know she boys.
You can't use
I
zero
don't
on bottom.
bully.
You're right, it can't be
It
0 on bottom.
can't be equal.
So how do I write it as a domain?
That's negative infinity 1 and then 1 to infinity. No, bro. It's parentheses.
That's what I was wanting you to tell me.
Oh. Does not include 1. Yay.
That shouldn't be hard.
That's just saying all that's saying.
Not wrong.
You can use literally.
Should I?
That is right.
That
is correct.
So it has to be greater than.
What's great
That's
about
the part I don't understand.
What?
Is there an absolute value on it?
No.
Okay, good. If there's not that one, I can do it. Equals
Miss
negative
Baldwin,
1.
X minus
Like,
1.
okay, all the other numbers.
X minus 1 has to be greater than or equal to 0, right?
They're just,
No, it's
No.
greater than 0.
X minus 1 cannot equal 0.
So could we write that X minus 1 is greater than 0?
No. X cannot equal 1. That means X cannot
you
equal 1.
only know to use the greater than or equal to.
That is correct.
Ooh, okay.
You only know to use the greater than or less than equal to like little signs if it's under bracket.
Yeah.
Oh,
Why is everybody against me? See, bracket.
you might want to listen. How about that? How about if we listen? Unique idea here. We're going to listen.
That's that mic.
Okay, ready? We're doing whatever I ask you to do. What is f of negative 2?
Negative 2.
Negative 2? When is f of x equal to 0?
Wait, equal to, so when is
That says when is y equal to 0?
negative 1 and a half?
Negative 1.5.
That says when is y 0?
Negative
Isn't it right here?
Oh, it's negative 4 and 2.
Yeah, that makes sense now.
See, that's what I was thinking. They were the same.
I know. I was like, wait. Are you? Am I confused?
Yeah.
Negative 4 and 2?
Yeah.
What is the x-intercept?
2. Oh, no. 0. 2, 0. 2, 0.
Yeah, that's what. 2, 0,
And negative 4, 0.
negative 4 is a negative.
Wait, is that the x-intercept?
If it touches it's an intercept.
The y is
What's the y-intercept?
0,
1.
0, negative 1.5. Right? Everybody okay with that?
What was the first one? The F? Or when F is negative 2?
What is f of negative 2?
So that's whenever.
X is negative 2, what is y? That's what that means.
Oh,
What is the domain?
Yeah.
Yes.
To infinity. That's it.
Oh.
What's the range?
Infinity.
-2.
Bracket?
To infinity.
Parentheses, because you always put parentheses.
Yes, you do.
Right.
Good with that?
Three.
Everybody okay?
Yeah.
So I can do a hard one.
Oh, yeah.
Circles.
Oh, circles. Right.
Everybody got this? Because I'm going to erase it.
Wait, you said a circle and we're gonna do all that?
Everybody got this, so I can erase it.
Go ahead, name it, just erase it.
Hurry. You need to be writing as I'm writing.
He's got a eraser. Here,
You get it off the, it'll be recorded. All right. Ready? You're given this equation.
I'm ready.
You're ready? I think that'll get it.
What are the directions for this one?
Write the equation of the circle and graph.
Yeah.
First thing I do, x's with x's, y's with y's, numbers on the right. All right? X's with x's.
Oh.
Oh, I remember this.
Can I change my 5 to a 6? I'm not sure that did it, but I don't know who keeps singing.
Whoever it is, it was really good.
A little distracting up here.
Yeah.
All right, now, what am I going to add to the x's to make it a perfect square? 9. So does that, oh, I don't want to do that yet, do I? X squared plus 6x plus 9. Half of this squared
Oh, yeah.
plus y squared minus 2y
Plus 4.
plus 1.
Oh, half? Oh, that coming.
Right?
Right.
Is this x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 4? Right? What's my center?
3, 1.
What is my radius?
2.
2. Here is my circle.
Wait.
Right?
Okay.